Today morning very prime news highlight from SNH from Bangkok from Solution for Air Pollution. Levoit distributes clean air indoors to protect Thais from air pollution. Thailand faces the risk of another smog-heavy winter as open field burning of farm waste worsens air pollution. Over the past decade, smog has swept across the country during the cool season. Thailand's air quality is a mix of dust, PM10, and PM2.5 carried by seasonal winds from upwind regions. The pollution harms health. In early 2024, about 1.6 million Thais sought treatment for pollution-related illnesses, with symptoms including burning and itching eyes and skin, coughing, and chest tightness. With Levoit, you can breathe clean, fresh air at home. Levoit, the leading selling air purifier brand in the US and other countries, encourages Thai families, especially those with children, elderly members, or pets, to take proactive steps to improve indoor air quality. Outdoor air pollution problem is a global challenge with a long road ahead, while indoor air quality is an often overlooked factor that we can improve, says Oscar May, Regional Business Director, Asia Pacific, Wessink. Levoit focuses on innovative air purification technologies and award-winning designs, having families live in a safer, more comfortable homes. Quote, Levoit's air purifiers feature 3-stage filtration. Pre-filter captures large particles such as dust, lint, and hair. HEPA filter removes 99.97% of fine particles including smoke, mold, and allergens. Activated carbon filter reduces odors and harmful VOCs. Precise air quality monitoring is built into products featuring AirSight infrared, laser particle sensors. Vortex Air technology distributes clean air efficiently, while the ARC formula extends filter life. Shock-absorbing pads reduce noise and enhance durability, ensuring safer, cleaner air for every household member. Top-selling Levoit models. Comini, refresh rooms up to 15 square meters with Whisper Quiet HEPA filtration and aromatherapy, your personal sanctuary at home. Core 300S, clean the air in spaces up to 54 square meters with Vortex Air technology in Smart AirSight Plus sensors, controllable via app or voice, perfect for modern families. Vital 200S, eliminate pet fur, dander, and odors in spaces up to 94 square meters with a 4D-U-shaped air inlet and pet mode, ideal for homes with pets. 12.12 Promotion. Upgrade your home air. Enjoy up to 25% off Levoit's range of clean air solutions, including air purifiers, fans, humidifiers, and vacuum cleaners, on Shopee this 12.12. Thank you for watching SNH. Do you like it? Could you please share to